Hello everyone! Today I am going to show you the top best Victorinox watches for men of 2025 based on specifications. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and press the bell icon button for my new videos notifications. Number 10. Victorinox Dive Pro Automatic Watch. It is a Swiss-made timepiece designed for professional and recreational divers who value both functionality and automatic movement technology. Here's a breakdown of its key features to see if it aligns with your needs. Built for diving. 200-meter water resistance. Suitable for recreational scuba diving up to 200 meters, meeting the demanding standards for diver watches. Screw-down crown. Ensures a watertight seal to protect the watch's internal components during dives. Unidirectional rotating bezel. Track elapsed dive time, a crucial safety feature for divers. Luminous hands and markers. Offer clear visibility underwater and in low light conditions. Essential for divers. Day and date display. Provides additional functionality for everyday wear. Automatic movement. Swiss-made automatic movement. Offers reliable timekeeping without the need for battery changes. The watch uses the wearer's movement to power itself and typically has a power reserve of around 38 hours. Sporty and stylish design. Number 9. Victorinox FieldForce Sport GMT Men's Watch. Gunmetal PVD stainless steel case with an orange rubber strap. Fixed gunmetal PVD bezel with a black ring. Black dial with luminous black hands and Arabic numeral hour markers. 24-hour markers. Dial type, analog. Quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Case size, 42 millimeters. Case thickness, 11 millimeters. Bandwidth, 21 millimeters. Water resistant at 100 meters. Functions, date, hour, minute, second, military watch style. Number 8. Victorinox I.N.O.X. Autumn Spirit Quartz Watch. Stainless steel case with an olive textile strap. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Blue dial with luminous gray hands and index hour markers. Dial type, analog. Quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Case size, 43 millimeters. Case thickness, 14 millimeters. Bandwidth, 21 millimeters. Water resistant at 200 meters. Functions, date, hour, minute, second, end-of-life indicator, military watch style. Number 7. Victorinox I.N.O.X. Professional Diver Watch. Stainless steel case with an orange textile strap. Unidirectional rotating stainless steel bezel. Black dial with luminous silver tone hands and dot hour markers. Dial type, analog. Quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Case size, 45 millimeters. Case thickness, 14 millimeters. Bandwidth, 22 millimeters. Water resistant at 200 meters. Functions, date, hour, minute, second, Swiss made. Number 6. Victorinox I.N.O.X. Carbon Blue Dial Men's Watch. Black carbon case with a blue textile paracord strap. Fixed black carbon bezel. Blue dial with luminous gunmetal hands and Arabic numeral hour markers. Dial type, analog. Quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Case size, 43 millimeters. Case thickness, 13 millimeters. Bandwidth, 21 millimeters. Water resistant at 200 meters. Functions, date, hour, minute, second, Swiss movement. Number 5. Victorinox I.N.O.X. Carbon Automatic Black Dial Men's Watch. Black carbon fiber composite case with a black rubber strap. Fixed black carbon fiber composite bezel. Black dial with luminous gray hands and index hour markers. Dial type, analog, automatic movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, screw-down crown. Case size, 43 mm. Case thickness, 13 mm. Bandwidth, 22 mm. Deployment with push-button release clasp. Water-resistant at 200 meters. Functions, date, hour, minute, second, Swiss-made. Number 4. Victorinox Swiss Army AirBoss Mechanical Men's Watch. Stainless steel case with a brown leather strap. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Black dial with luminous hands and index hour markers. Dial type, analog. Chronograph caliber 7750 automatic movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Case size, 42 mm. Case thickness, 11 mm. Bandwidth, 22 mm. Deployment clasp with a push-button release. Water-resistant at 100 meters. Functions, chronograph, date, hour, minute, second, Swiss-made. Number 3. Victorinox I.N.O.X Carbon Black Dial Men's Watch. Stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet. Fixed stainless steel bezel with an inlaid black ring showing tachymeter markings. Dial type, analog. Chronograph, quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Case size, 42 mm. Case thickness, 12 mm. Bandwidth, 21 mm. Water-resistant at 100 meters. Functions, chronograph, tachymeter, date, hour, minute, second, Swiss-made. Number 2. Victorinox Alliance Sport Chronograph Gray Dial Watch. Black plated stainless steel case with a black rubber strap. Fixed black plated bezel with a gray ion-plated ring showing tachymeter markings. Gray dial with luminous silver tone hands and index hour markers. Dial type, analog. Chronograph, quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, screw-down crown. Case size, 44 mm. Case thickness, 11 mm. Bandwidth, 21 mm. Water-resistant at 100 meters. Functions, chronograph, tachymeter, date, hour, minute, second, Swiss-made. Number 1. Victorinox Swiss Army I.N.O.X Red Dial Men's Watch. Stainless steel case with a red rubber strap. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Red dial with luminous silver tone hands and index hour markers. Dial type, analog. Quartz movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Solid case back. Case size, 43 mm. Case thickness, 14 mm. Bandwidth, 21 mm. Band length, 8 inches. Water resistant at 200 meters, 660 feet. Functions, date, hour, minute, second, Swiss-made.